Hey guys, welcome back to Can Tam. Today you're going to be seeing an epic patio reveal. As usual, we always start with the before.
Took the deck that used to be here out and cut it out. I'll show you the pieces in the front. Ali took everything out. This fabric you're seeing here is for the client. He said he wanted us to do an extra space for him. So look at it so far. This is what we have ready to go. Okay, guys, watch out for the second part. So now, can follow this.
So this is the deck that was previously in the spot where we're putting the pavers now.
At the moment, just trying to level out whatever we are. Make sure it slopes nicely down here. Guess what, guys? Look at it again. All done. Okay. Guys, just practically finished up this section of the gazebo. It was a tough work, but it was done in 2 days practically. Look at that. Seamless, smooth, beautiful.
Thank you guys for watching this transformation. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share our videos to everyone you know, and we'll be back with more content very soon. And don't forget, we do all things home improvements, renovation, landscaping, interior design, painting. So we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.